What's up everybody, thank you for tuning in to the Chord Basher music tutorial channel. I've been away for quite some time, for about 4 months, so I'm getting back into the swing of things and we're going to be making some regular content weekly, acoustic, electric and sometimes ukulele tutorials coming to you on this channel. So we're going to kick start with a bit of a new song from Zach Bryan. It's called I Remember Everything. We're going to learn it on the acoustic guitar. Really nice song to play. Yeah, it's all in the first position and you don't need a capo for this song to play this song. All in standard tuning as well. So we're going to dive in, have a look at the chords, look at the strumming patterns as well, and we're going to break it down step by step. If you are new to the channel and want to subscribe, hit that subscribe button at the bottom. And if you've got any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below. I'll try and answer any questions that come my way. Right then. Let's dive in and see how we play this song. So here we are zoomed into the neck of the guitar. So we've got our neck and we've got our sound hole and we're going to be using the plectrum for this one. So I've got myself a little fancy orange plectrum. It's all in standard tuning, so no special tuning, and in the first position without a capo. So the chords that we're going to need to know for this song are A minor, G major, C, it's a C major. That's for the verse section, and then on the chorus we've got our tricky F major, C major, G major, and then A minor. So let's just have a little recap and see how we play this song. So as you can see, there's a bit of a passing chord there, which is the G major. You don't stay on that too long. So let's look at our A minor to start with. So we've got our first finger on the first fret of the second string. We've got our second finger on the second fret of the fourth string. And then we've got our third finger on the third string of the second fret. And that makes our A minor. We're going to play from string number 5 down. So we're not going to worry about the strumming pattern at the moment. We're just going to go and make sure that we can play that A minor really nicely. And if it's muffled, then you're not pressing hard enough and you're not probably in the centre of that fret as well. So you need to make sure that it's ringing out like that. So we've got... Okay, so... Let's have a look at this G major chord. So we've got our first finger, second fret, 5th string, second finger, 3rd fret, 6th string, and then we've got our third finger, 3rd fret, 1st string. And there is our G major. So we got, that's our A minor, that's our G major. So let's put those together. And then we have our C major. And our C major is with our first finger, 1st fret, 2nd string, second finger, 2nd fret, 4th string, third finger, 3rd fret, 5th string. And we're going to strum from string number 5 down. And then we're going to reverse that and start on the C. Back to the A minor. So what do I mean by that? So we're going. Now that's it, fairly basic without any exciting strumming patterns or dynamics. It's just the chords. So what we're going to do this time is we're going to add some rhythm into it. So we've got this. muffling the strings slightly with my palms. It's called palm muting. Slow it down even more. Speed it up a little bit. What you'll probably notice I'm doing is I'm taking off my first finger and hammering it on. So those are your first chords you're going to need to know for the verse section. We're going to have a look and see how we play the chorus section now. Okay, so our chorus is now we've got this tricky F major. So we're going to play our F major as you can either play it as a bar chord, or you can play it simpler, not barring the first fret. So let's play it as a bar chord. We've got our first finger across the first fret. We've got our second finger on the second fret of the third string. We've got our third finger, third fret of the fifth string, and then our pinky finger on the third fret of the fourth string. And we can play all 6 strings. Then we go to the C, to the G, to the A minor. So with my strumming, I'm going, so they're down strokes, down, 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 down. So you're going to make sure that you're playing along with the song to make sure that you're getting that strumming pattern right. Also, that might be slightly quicker than the original as well. So the other way to play the F chord is the first finger across strings 1 and 2, and then you're going to put your second finger across, your second finger, second fret, third string, and then your third finger on the third fret of the fourth string, and then you're just going to lift your thumb over the top like that, so you get the F there. Now I think that's a harder way of playing it, but you may find it a bit easier. But again, all in the first position, so you don't need to change where you're going on the guitar neck, you're just staying in that first position. So there you have it, quite a nice easy song to play on the acoustic guitar. You can of course play it on the electric guitar if you want to. Like I said, if you've got any questions, please use the comment section below. If you want the tabs, follow the link in the description. And again, if you've got anything you want to put below, please let me know and I'll do my best to answer any questions you've got. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you next time.